Can I just share something quickly, especially on this? So in the beginning with my email list and stuff, before I did the training on the how to connect with your perfect customer, when I did get people into my funnel and my email list started growing, but I actually got comments from people saying, I thought this was free, or you understand that type of, and it was like, somewhere I'm doing something wrong. And that's when I went through how to connect with your perfect customer. And it was like the message I started doing on my TikTok connected with what they found in my funnel. And that's where the sales also started coming in. So it wasn't that I was saying anything about it being free. So I could not understand why people would assume that's what I'm saying if it's not what I'm saying. But it was just the fact that I was not talking to the perfect customer. So they did not pick up my message that I was trying to share. So I can highly recommend to everybody in this group, work through that training. Even if you have to do, I think it's 3 videos in there, if it's not more now, but I was like, I went through 1.5 and it just suddenly clicked for me. And from there, my list grew overnight. I think from like in the small hundreds, I had to, the others, my email list grew with such a speed just for people to get onto the free webinar. But definitely, please do yourselves each a favor and go through that training, even if you have to do it more than once, because that changed everything for me. It literally took me from 6 weeks without earning to starting to earn the next day. When it made sense and it clicked for me, everything changed.
And how much have you made since then?
Oh my word. You know what? In our value, I'm 50,000 Rand short from R500,000 in our value. So I'm on 24,750 Rand. $24,750. But remember, it ups and downs, okay? With the dollar versus Rand. But in our value, I'm like 56,000 Rand short from R500,000.
Wow.
It's amazing. This month alone, from the 1st of August, working through the 90-day ramp up, I'm already on $16,600. So that's like 299,000 Rand in our currency. That's like.
And that's this month.
This month. $16,600 in the past 17 days. I have not had one day in the past 25 days that I did not have a sale. And then I'm talking like, I've cleared 40,000, 41,000 Rand, 42,000 Rand. It's just really go do yourself a favor and work through how to connect with your perfect customer, because the moment that you get it, it changes everything.
Yes. Powerful, you guys. I love that. So see the difference? You guys, she didn't understand who her perfect customer was, and she literally overnight, that was a big change.